Hey everyone, welcome to the Gadget Flow channel. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best blenders for smoothies. We've done the research, sifted through expert advice, and added a sprinkle of personal opinion to bring you the ultimate lineup. Whether you're blending up green goodness, fruity favorites, or protein-packed power shakes, there's something here for every kitchen setup. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more awesome reviews. Number 5. NUTRIBULLET Pro. Embarking on a journey toward healthier living often begins with the tools we use in our kitchens. The NUTRIBULLET Pro blender offers both style and functionality, making it a noteworthy contender for those seeking to enhance their smoother making experience. This blender boasts a robust 900-watt motor, providing ample power to tackle a variety of ingredients, from fibrous kale to hard nuts and seeds. Its high-torque base ensures that even the toughest components are blended smoothly, resulting in creamy and consistent textures. The 13-piece set includes two 32-ounce cups, to-go lids, lip rings, and a recipe book, offering versatility and convenience for users who are always on the move. The stainless steel extractor blades utilize cyclonic action to break down food efficiently, and the BPA-free plastic cups are designed for durability. Cleaning is straightforward. Simply twist off the blade, rinse with soap and water, and place the cups on the top rack of the dishwasher. Customer feedback highlights the blender's quick performance, particularly when handling frozen fruits, and many users appreciate the quality of the smoothies produced. The powerful motor and sharp blades are frequently praised for their ability to create smooth, well-blended drinks. However, some users have noted that the blender can be quite loud during operation, which might be a consideration for those sensitive to noise. Additionally, a few customers have reported that the rubber seals may wear out over time, potentially leading to leaks if not addressed. Despite these concerns, the overall consensus leans positively, with many finding the NUTRIBULLET Pro to be a valuable addition to their kitchen appliances. Its powerful motor and comprehensive accessory set make it a strong candidate for individuals looking to incorporate more homemade smoothies into their diet. Number 4. MARGARITAVILLE, the Bahamas frozen concoction maker. Creating the perfect frozen beverage at home can transform any gathering into a festive occasion. The MARGARITAVILLE Bahamas frozen concoction dual-mode beverage maker aims to bring that island-inspired experience to your kitchen with ease and style. This machine is designed to simplify the art of crafting frozen drinks. It features a no-brainer mixer with clear markings, ensuring precise measurements for concoctions like pina coladas, daiquiris, and margaritas. The automatic shave and blend cycle expertly combines the right proportions of ice and ingredients, delivering consistent results every time. For those who prefer a personalized touch, manual controls allow users to choose between blend-only or shave-only modes. The 36-ounce easy pour pitcher facilitates a smooth transfer of beverages without the need to remove or replace the lid, enhancing convenience during use. Additionally, the appliance includes dishwasher-safe parts, making cleanup straightforward and hassle-free. Users have expressed high satisfaction with the machine's performance. Many highlight its ability to produce cruise ship quality frozen drinks, noting that it surpasses the capabilities of standard blenders. The ease of use and cleaning are frequently praised, with one customer remarking on its straightforward operation and the convenience of dishwasher-safe components. However, some users have pointed out that the machine operates with a considerable noise level, which might be a drawback for those sensitive to sound. Additionally, its substantial size requires ample storage space, a factor to consider for kitchens with limited room. Despite these considerations, the overall consensus is that the MARGARITAVILLE Bahamas frozen concoction maker is a valuable addition to any home bar, offering both functionality and a touch of tropical flair. It stands out as a versatile and user-friendly appliance for creating a variety of frozen beverages. Number 3. Ninja Blender Duo with Auto IQ. Embarking on a quest for a versatile and powerful blending solution leads us to the Ninja Blender Duo. This appliance is engineered to cater to both personal and family-sized blending needs, making it a compelling choice for a wide range of users. At the heart of this blender is a formidable 1,200-watt motor, designed to effortlessly pulverize even the toughest ingredients, transforming ice into snow within seconds. This capability ensures the creation of creamy frozen drinks, smoothies, and sauces with ease. The total crushing technology, complemented by rust-proof Pro extractor blades, effectively breaks down whole fruits, vegetables, ice, and seeds, maximizing nutrient and vitamin extraction. The inclusion of Auto IQ technology introduces intelligent programs that combine timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns, removing the guesswork from drink preparation. For those catering to larger groups, the 72-ounce total crushing pitcher is ideal, boasting a 64-ounce maximum liquid capacity. Additionally, the blender offers on-the-go convenience with 3 sizes of single-serve cups, 18, 24, and 32 ounces, each equipped with spout lids, facilitating the easy transport of nutrient-rich smoothies. Maintenance is simplified as all parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, and the package is rounded out with a 75-recipe inspiration guide to kickstart your blending adventures. Customer feedback underscores the blender's robust performance and user-friendly features. One user expressed enthusiasm, stating that the blender is already timed and programmed. Just press it and it works its magic. Another satisfied customer highlighted its durability and efficiency, noting that it crushes ice properly and easy to clean. However, some users have reported concerns regarding the longevity of the blender's components, particularly the plastic parts, which may wear over time with frequent use. Additionally, the powerful motor, while effective, can produce a significant noise level during operation, which might be a consideration for noise-sensitive environments. Number 2. VITAMIX Professional Series 750 Blender. Embarking on a culinary journey often necessitates the right tools, and the VITAMIX blender stands out as a formidable companion for both amateur cooks and seasoned chefs. This professional-grade appliance is engineered to handle a myriad of kitchen tasks, from crafting silky smoothies to preparing hearty soups. At the heart of the VITAMIX 750 is a powerful 2.2 peak horsepower motor, capable of blending the toughest ingredients with ease. The blender offers 5 pre-programmed settings, including options for smoothies, frozen desserts, soups, and purees, allowing for walk-away convenience and consistent results. For those who prefer a hands-on approach, the variable speed control and pulse feature provide the flexibility to fine-tune textures to personal preference. The low-profile 64-ounce container is designed to fit comfortably under most kitchen cabinets, making it suitable for family meals and entertaining. Durability is a hallmark of this blender, with hardened stainless steel blades engineered to handle the toughest ingredients, ensuring quality results from the first blend to the last. Cleaning is simplified with a self-cleaning function that requires just a drop of dish soap and warm water, completing the process in 30 to 60 seconds. Customer feedback underscores the blender's exceptional performance and versatility. Users have praised its ability to produce smooth and creamy textures, noting its effectiveness in blending everything from purees to dry ingredients. The self-cleaning feature is frequently highlighted as a significant convenience, eliminating the need for disassembly and making maintenance effortless. However, some users have pointed out that the blender operates at a higher noise level, which might be a consideration for those sensitive to sound. Additionally, the premium price point is noted, though many consider it a worthwhile investment given the blender's durability and performance. Number 1. Ninja Compact Kitchen System with Auto IQ. For those looking to streamline kitchen prep without sacrificing power or versatility, this blender offers a compelling all-in-one solution. Designed to handle everything from smoothies to dough, this compact yet powerful appliance delivers the performance of a full-sized kitchen system in a more manageable footprint. Equipped with a 1,200-watt motor, the system comes with a 72-ounce total crushing pitcher for large batches, a 5-cup precision processor bowl ideal for chopping and dough making, and an 18-ounce single-serve cup for blending on the go. Each component works seamlessly with specialized blade assemblies, including stack blades for the pitcher, a dough blade, chopping blade, and Pro extractor blades for nutrient-dense single servings. Ninja's Auto IQ technology is a standout feature. It intelligently adjusts blending patterns through timed pulsing, pauses and blending cycles, removing the guesswork from drink and food prep. The system's compact design is a welcome bonus for those with limited counter space, and all parts are BPA-free and dishwasher safe, making cleanup refreshingly easy. Customers often praise this kitchen system for its versatility and robust performance. Users love the ability to switch between tasks: smoothies in the morning, pizza dough in the afternoon, and frozen drinks by evening, all with one machine. The Auto IQ functions are frequently highlighted for their convenience, particularly by those new to blending or food processing. However, some reviews point out that the unit, while compact, still requires thoughtful storage due to the number of included accessories. A few users also mention that the machine can be on the louder side when operating at full power, especially when crushing ice or dense ingredients. Still, the consensus holds strong: this Ninja system punches well above its weight class. Whether you're crafting creamy smoothies, chopping fresh veggies, or mixing dough, it adapts to a range of culinary tasks with ease. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.